Welcome to a session in which we will take a look at the growth strategy that Namita is planning to use for her traveling beauty parlor business and the impact of that strategy on various aspects of the business. In Namita's traveling beauty parlor business, she takes appointments on her phone and then carries her equipment to the customer's house on that day to provide services at their doorsteps. Namita engages an assistant to help her in her business. Namita is well known in her locality as well as in other neighboring localities. She gets most of her business by word of mouth. The traveling beauty parlor business has been profitable over the last 4 years and has provided a good salary to Namita. Some of Namita's customers have been telling her that the reason they prefer her service is because she gives very good quality service for much lower price compared to other beauty parlors. This makes Namita wonder whether she could be charging more for her services. But she also realizes that in order to charge more, there must be something extra in her service. Only then will her customers be prepared and willing to pay more. Otherwise, they may not like it and may start using the services of a competitor instead. Namita understands that one way of doing this is upgrading her skills and providing a better service to customers. After some initial research, Namita finds a course that would help her upgrade her skills. With improved skills, Namita feels she will be able to provide a better service with something extra for the customer. This will help her increase her price for her services and by doing so, increase her revenue by 15%. That would be her strategy for growing her business. Namita realizes that providing better service could help her increase her number of customers. But she is not looking for additional customers. Namita feels that her assistant and she will not be able to service any more customers than what they already have. Namita's strategy for achieving growth depends on increasing the prices that her existing customers pay for her services. She must first analyze the strategy using the relevant concepts of the 4C+E framework. If the analysis indicates that the strategy makes sense and she can go ahead with it, then in the next step, she must understand the impact of the strategy on revenues, direct costs, required capital, indirect costs, and break even in the business. In this session, we will limit our discussion to analyzing the growth strategy using 4C+E framework. For this strategy, the relevant concepts from the 4C+E framework are the first 2 C's of the framework, which are customers and competition and capabilities. Within the first C, the aspect of a customer's essential needs and how to meet the need with a quality service is important. In Namita's business today, she is meeting most of the needs of the customers. However, one important need for some of her customers is not being met. Namita feels that she does not provide the required level of service when customers need the bridal service. In the bridal beauty service, it is important to provide the best and the latest bridal styles and techniques. These days, with easy access to internet on their phones, the customers can easily see what's happening in the world of beauty. Their expectation is that Namita will provide those attractive styles that they see on actors and famous personalities on the internet. It is this parameter of quality of service, which is attractiveness, which is missing to some extent from Namita's work. If she can provide that, then she believes that the customers will be willing to pay more. And Namita realizes this is where she needs to improve. So, what should Namita do to improve? Let us now look at the capabilities aspect of the 4C+E framework. Namita understands she needs formal training for delivering the new styles and methods. And she has identified a 12-day course that will help her improve her skills. The course covers all aspects of beauty parlor services such as hairstyling, eye makeup, bridal makeup, sari draping, etc. She notes that the course offers training in different eye makeup which her competitors don't offer. It also offers different styles of draping saris such as Bengali, South Indian, mermaid styles, etc., which again the competition doesn't offer. The training also provides real life opportunities to do hands-on work at wedding functions under the supervision of experienced trainers. Namita is satisfied that after the training, she will be able to deliver improved quality service. But she realizes that in the week after the training, her activities will take more time since better quality requires more time and effort. That may annoy her customers who may not appreciate a longer service. But Namita realizes once she gets used to the new styles, the time spent will be much less. Now that Namita has completed the analysis of the growth strategy using 4C+E framework, she is ready to understand the impact of the strategy on revenues, direct costs, required capital, indirect costs and the break even in the business. We will see this in the next session.